Hi everyone, this is Sanigo TV. I saw what happened today when they came to arrest Mathias Ezeaku. The guy they are shot in the leg. May God heal the guy. Chineke mee ebere ka ọ lapụ inwe ife melie because no one ogbenye ka nsị fia nwa ogbenye. And again, nobody is above arrest. In any country, the whole world, nobody is above arrest. But I never see where they shoot person. But it's where. And for those where they talk say why God never helped him, why the Chukwuokike Abịama never helped him. Even Jesus in the Bible was arrested. So nobody is above arrest. May God intervene for him. I am Mathias like Londoka. Ọtụtụ n'ime ndị mmadụ ekwube na ọ dị ka ndị pastors bive mere arrest. Ma pastors so more normal arrest you. Kechelu kamalife menu. But let there be peace. Anyway, sir, for people who never see the video, watch the video now. Watch the video, how everything happened. Share the video after watching.
Hey! Look at see what an officer do to person. See what an officer do to person. See, you come to arrest us. You come to arrest us, officer. Officer of the law. See what him. You don't close. See what you arrest person. See, you are shooting gun. What? See ya. See what you are doing. I cannot zoom the way. See they are dragging him. See they are dragging him. People are evil. Look at this man. Look at this man. See they're shooting. They're shooting for leg. I'm after town hall, Kita. I'm after town hall. We there for after town hall. Everybody I'm not boko. Police better have a sign. See them. Why would Mathias na muta na muta siana?